The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has conducted the maiden test of VL-SRSAM missiles from a defense facility off the Odisha coast on Monday. Now, this is considered to be a major milestone in short-range missile defense system. What was new in today's test? Why is it so important for Army, Air Force and Navy? Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in defense sector. In today's video, we are going to discuss in detail about the VL-SRSAM missile test. First, let us understand VL-SRSAM missiles. It is a vertically launched, short-range, surface-to-air missile. This is used against aerial threats such as fighter jets, drones, incoming missiles which are in a range less than 60 kilometers. These missiles are very quick in response and is the last missile in a layered defense system. This is what makes them even more critical. Now, the test of VL-SRSAM conducted by DRDO today was based on Astra missile, which is an indigenously developed air-to-air missile. DRDO has already integrated and tested Astra missiles with Su-30 MKI and is now working on its integration with Tejas. The Astra missile itself has many variants. First, for shorter range, Astra IR missiles with a range of 60 plus kilometer, and in beyond visual range category, Astra Mk1 with a range of 110 kilometers, and Astra Mk2 with a range of 160 kilometers, and Astra Mk3 with a range of up to 340 kilometers. Astra Mk2 and Mk3 are still in the development phase. The VL-SRSAM is going to be an advanced air defense system that will provide a single integrated solution for multiple aerial threats from different ranges. Now, since it is going to be a vertical launch system, it will ensure 360-degree interception. With an active high-end radio frequency seeker for targets with low radar cross-section and high maneuverability, the missile will add more teeth to our armed forces and will be a formidable threat to incoming aerial targets. The next generation all-weather defense missile system can provide point and area defense against various aerial targets like jets, fighter aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles. The VL-SRSAM will be a truck-mounted variant for Indian Air Force and a vertical launch unit for Indian Navy. The SAM system will be integrated with smaller surface vessels of Indian Navy and will replace Barak 1 legacy SAM system. The canister-based state-of-art weapon system can identify, track, engage and destroy targets with very high kill probability, and it has a strike range of about 40 kilometers. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.